Hello.
Okay, so I just got the Sena Bluetooth pack for GoPro in the mail, and I've been waiting over a month on it. Comes with, oh, there's another piece right here. Frame. The frame for the GoPro. Everybody that has a GoPro understands how the frame works. So this comes with a larger one where you can fit the side piece and the other piece on there. Man, just to tell you, this thing is light. There's nothing to it. It feels like just a little piece of plastic. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. I expected it to be heavier, but it's not. I'm happy about it. It's good. The switches are very definite. They have a solid feel to them. It's just very simple to set up. There is no electrical connection in the backpack to the base. I read about that. I get it now. But this is just a piece of plastic to guide it in. The only portion that does any audio is this little dongle here. This dongle connects between the audio on the GoPro and the backpack device. Once it's all put together, I would show you, but there's a million videos showing you how it goes together. Anyway, so this is mainly just a quick audio test. So here's the parts. You get this, you get the backpack, you get the user's guide with 138 pages, and the first 28 pages only pertain to me. That's what's in English. The rest of it is foreign languages that I don't understand. Book, dongle, backpack, thing, all in a big box. My main thing is doing an audio test. The audio test is 50 seconds. There are 10 segments. Each one of them has a different frequency range, with the last one being a sweep from 20 to 20 kilohertz. Each one of these tests are performed with the microphone about 5 inches from the speaker. You'll see the normal test tones, the UHD test tones, and the cheap microphone test tones. The cheap microphone did display the full range of audio pretty much. I mean, it gave the same amplitude that when I played it directly through the speakers, it returned the same amplitude back, and that was pretty impressive. The normal setting on the Sena backpack, Sena Pack, there was a lot of clipping in it. I noticed a lot of ticking, a lot of static, a lot of noise. Now granted, I did have it next to my computer. It has Bluetooth on. I have Bluetooth devices in the house. It may have had some interference. The only problem with that argument is that the UHD test was done a couple seconds, I believe, after, and it was in the same environment, same exact position, same exact everything. Everything was the same with the exception of setting changed. So how valid is that? I don't know. This isn't really some scientific test. I just wanted to display what it sounded like. When you look at the sine wave on the UHD test tones, you'll notice that it gave back more of a representation of a decent sound, whereas in the normal setting was real staticky, and you can see in the sine wave. So instead of letting you hear the audio difference, you'll notice that I'm just displaying an image, because the image is my environment and my representation, so you'll get everything same as same, apples apples type thing. Comparing the inexpensive microphone to the Sena Pack in two different settings, in normal settings and then in the UHD setting. And just looking at that, you'll see them displayed there on the screen. Here I'll display me speaking into my helmet with the Sena microphone, the Sena SMH10 version 11 I think is what it is. I'll double check, I'll put it in the description. And I have the camera in my lap, and I'm basically looking down. That's why you see the ceiling fan behind me. I'm looking down at the camera, and that's the distance I am from the camera when I have it in microphone enabled setting, and there's an echo there, and that's what causes that. It's coming from both sides of the audio, but you'll see what it sounds like and the differences there.
Here's normal voice mode with the microphone disabled. Here is UHD voice mode with the microphone disabled. Here is normal voice mode with the microphone enabled. Here is UHD mode with the microphone enabled.